Hey there guys, welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to make R&B the easy way. Now right here we have a project I'm going to break down into bits and show you how to put it all together on your own. And remember, this project file is available for download on my website. You can click the link in the description or just click the shop icon and you can get access to this project file. It's royalty free, so it's made available for the general public and yourself inclusive to get understanding of how to make R&B, in a more interesting way. Okay, so right here, I always say the first thing you need to understand with R&B is the chords. When you get the chords right, every other thing just follows and it becomes a whole lot easier. So you can see this chord progression right here. This is from our MIDI chord pack. Currently, we have 3 different R&B MIDI chord packs: Affairs, Roses, and Tipsy. You can get any of these chord packs. You can even get the 3. They are pretty affordable. I made them pretty affordable so that you can get started with making really good R&B beats. They are all R&B inspired chord progressions that you can drag and drop and get that R&B feel in your production. And you can use it in other genres, like if you make Afrobeat, if you make dancehall, you can use those chords and infuse into your production. And it works with any software. Just drag and drop into your piano roll, and you have something good. For example, this is my current chord progression. And I used Triton Extreme to play in my chord for this production, and the name of the pad is Ravelian pad. Right here, you just come to browse, then you come to slow synth, and then you should see it in here, Ravelian pad. Okay, it's a pretty nice pad, and many of these sounds in here work really well for R&B in Triton Extreme. And then next we have our drum track. Now, this is only possible because we use the FL Liquid R&B drum kit, which is available on our website. It has 808s, about 21 808s, so many sounds, over 200 high quality R&B sounds that you can use to get that R&B style drum tracks. Okay, high quality drums, heavy kicks, and really nice snares, percussions, and deep and heavy 808s. So let's see how it sounds when I play it with the chord or the pad. And in here I have a second hat roll that's just doing a little bit of work right here. It's just a little roll. I use the 1/4 B1/4 beat quantize. I just place 3 notes here, then 2 notes here. Just to give it some groove. And then in the hook we have another hat here doing something else, still from the drum kit. Just to give it that extra bounce. So R&B is really fun, it's really easy. Just make sure you keep it very simple, and then you can kind of infuse your own ideas into it. It's very simple to play. All you need to understand is once you get the chords right and your drum sounding good, you're almost done. You're like 60% there already. Next, for our lead melody, this is what I used. I used Triton Extreme again. I used a lot of Triton Extreme in this beat because Triton Extreme has a lot of nice R&B style sounds, distant analog. When I play the sound, following the root key of each chord. Now, you may ask, how do I know, or how do you know the root key of the chord, especially if you're not familiar with the piano? And that is why, again, in the MIDI chord pack, I made it so easy for you to understand. The bottom note right here is always the root key of each chord. You can see that D, C#4, F#4, E, and A. Another thing again with FL, so if maybe you forgot what scale your chords was on, because FL Studio doesn't save the project scale. I don't know why. All you have to do is just come right here, right click, and just click automatic, and then snap to scale. So FL Studio will automatically detect your chords and know what scale you're supposed to be on. So you don't have to try to remember, oh, what was the chord, the key signature of the chord that I dragged into my piano roll. It's just seamless, and you just keep working and clicking stuff in. Or you can even use key finders to detect your chords. There's so many programs out there that offer that. So back to our melodies. So if I to play it, you see they're really easy to play. And then here we have our counter melody. Again, inspired by the chords, because one thing with melodies is that you're going to follow your chords all the way. And it was played with Triton Extreme, and the presets used in Triton Extreme is analog sound. Now it's still the same sound, kind of the same sounds that I used in the lead melody, but it was played across different octaves, so it made it easy for it to stand out. So if I were to press play, so you can see it doesn't sound like it's clashing. So when you are playing melodies, even though you use similar sounds, make sure you play them across different octaves so that they can all sound better. If it's going to sound like one is clashing or is getting lost in the other. So that's just a production tip I feel you should know when you're trying to make any style of music in general, not just R&B beats. So next here we have a bass. We didn't use 808s in this production. We use a deep synth bass. So this is the bass used, and it's the preset is from Triton Extreme, and the name of the preset is the Resco Stereo Bass, and I added some distortion to it. Fruity fast distortion. I just a little bit of distortion to it, just make it pop more without the distortion. With the distortion. But this is, up to you, your taste. If you want more distortion, sure. If you don't want any at all, you can take it off, but I just want a little bit more distortion. So when I play together, so let's hear from the top to see how it sounds. And remember, this project file is available to you. You can get it and practice and learn how to make better R&B beats. And also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you think this tutorial was helpful. Let's listen.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.